Someone drew my attention to a creator whose channel with over 330,000 subscribers was terminated by YouTube. This creator is not just an ordinary creator. He is one of the top influential forex traders in Nigeria. So in today's video, I'm going to shed more light on some of the YouTube's policy that he could have possibly violated and why it could be almost impossible for him to get back his channel. So if you are new here, I'm your tech informant. I do share tips on how to grow on YouTube and also how to become a better creator on this platform. So if you love watching videos like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss useful videos like this in the future. So on HabiFX X handle, he dropped this post. After years of building a community of 330,000 plus subscribers, my channel was terminated for violations. I have always included risk disclosures and never guaranteed profit or promoted get-rich-quick schemes. My appeal was denied, but I genuinely believe the context of my content may have been misunderstood. I respectfully request another manual review of my channel. From what he has shared and some other posts he dropped on his X handle, this suggests that he violated one of the YouTube's community guidelines. HabiFX has been doing some content relating to FX, and before his channel was terminated, his channel looks like this. He already has 331,000 subscribers and he has uploaded over 550 videos on his channel. And from a post he did about 10 months ago, it traced my life as a young billionaire forex trader featuring Davido. So when you see here, his channel just looked typically like the make money online niche, something like that. But according to him, he never did the get rich quick scheme on his platform. So, but one thing I just recently observed that YouTube is doing the second wave of channel termination on some niches. Like if you go to your advanced analytics, there's where you can check how you get your subscribers and how you are losing them. When you check on the closed accounts section, you discover that most of your subscribers that you lose are from the closed account, and this suggests that YouTube is quietly terminating channels. Yes, some of the channels might be bots, some of could be spam, but this suggests that the YouTube automated system is doing a lot of work in the background. And the sad reality is that even when you appeal, you might end up not getting that human review. So back to Abi's issue, Abi possibly violated this policy that falls under spam and deceptive practices. And this also falls under the spam, deceptive practices and scam policy. So this could possibly be the policy that he violated. On his post, he said that I have always included risk disclosures and never guaranteed profit or promoted get-rich-quick schemes. So from what he said, he has always dropped a disclaimer, like a disclosure that this is just at your own risk. You get the point, or disclaimer that you can make money or you cannot make money. So this is one of the biggest myths that I need to bust in this video. Many creators believe that when they drop a disclaimer, that will protect them from YouTube having issues with their videos or their channel, but that's not the case. When you violate YouTube's policy, whether you put a disclaimer, whether boldly in the video or in the description section of your video, that will not save you from YouTube penalizing you when you violate their policy. So you might ask then, what's the essence of dropping a disclaimer when YouTube will eventually penalize you? Disclaimers are not meant for YouTube to consider. Disclaimers are meant for external purposes, that is, for issues that could arise outside YouTube. So disclaimers will protect you from, it's just like having a legal protection outside YouTube, but not within YouTube. YouTube doesn't see disclaimers. So anyhow you put your disclaimer, whether you say you are not the author or you are not the owner of this content, a right violation wasn't intended, all those kind of subtle or heavy disclaimers, YouTube don't see that. When your video or when your content violates YouTube's policy, no matter how the disclaimer you write on that video, YouTube will penalize you, either by demonetizing your channel, giving you a strike, or even terminating your channel. So this is the number one mistake that Happy FX would have made. Possibly one or two of his videos would have violated YouTube's updated policy, and that's why he's having this issue. So now there's another post on his Twitter handle that I also stumbled upon. So this suggests that he has about 3 channels: his main channel, his backup channel, and the unfiltered channel. So this is one of the myths that I need to bust in this video. So now some do assume that YouTube has the same policy or the same pattern of administration compared to other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. But that's not the case. YouTube is much more stricter, and when YouTube is dealing with any entity on their platform, they are dealing with the creator, not the channel, not the video. You get the point. YouTube is dealing directly with the creator or the entity, the person that owns that content. It might be an individual, it could be an organization. We have 2 types of accounts: personal and business account. So now, from what I noticed, he has 3 channels, and here he was complaining that, okay, if his main channel was terminated, why did YouTube also go as far as terminating his backup channel? So that is where Habib FS got it wrong. Possibly he wasn't aware that YouTube don't deal with individual channels, but deal with individual creators. So here he said, I'm struggling to understand why this channel, that is his second channel, was permanently removed for severe or repeated violation when there was very limited activity on the account. So down here, he listed the 3 channels that he have: main channel, backup channel, and the unfiltered channel. So what are we to learn from this issue that is going on here? Now, one thing you need to understand is that YouTube don't deal with channels or with videos alone. When you violate YouTube's policy, when they demonetize one of your channel, YouTube will demonetize the rest of your channel. YouTube deals with individuals, unlike other platforms like Instagram. You can have your main page, you can have your backup page 1, backup page 2, and the rest. So when anything happens to your main page, you can drag your followers to your backup page for them to follow you. But that's not the case on YouTube. When YouTube terminates your channel, that means you as the creator has been banned from their platform. So when your channel gets terminated, YouTube expects you not to create content on their channel. And again, they went as far as saying that even when if you don't create a new channel and you are featuring frequently on another channel that you don't own, that channel could also be terminated. So as it is now, Happy FX, considering the experience he's going to be passing through right now, because they can imagine the memories of the videos he has been making for the past 7 years, and suddenly he can't have access to them. So YouTube is not like if they're going to terminate your channel, they will not ask you to download your videos so that they can finally terminate it. They don't give that opportunity. When they terminate a channel, they terminate it outrightly, and every memories that comes with that channel will be erased. Let me take you to some other activities that could make it more difficult for him, because for him to have a backup channel, this fall under the category of circumvention of channel termination. So as it is, for example, if I host him on my channel and keep hosting him frequently, he become a regular face or a regular guest on my channel, my channel could stand being terminated. So it's just like YouTube has banned Habib FX, that is this creator, from making content on their platform. So what is he going to lose? One, he's going to lose his community on YouTube. He's going to lose the global visibility that he will be, he has been enjoying all this while from YouTube. And also, YouTube is like when you are huge on YouTube, you are being seen as an authority in your industry. So he's going to lose a lot of this. Does he have any chance of making content on YouTube in the future? Yes, there's a possibility that YouTube can take him back in the nearest future. So there's this new program that YouTube just introduced last year, that is in 2025, that if you have been terminated from making content on YouTube, after 1 year, YouTube, you might be eligible. That if YouTube fit that you're eligible, they will give you a second chance of creating new channel and starting all over on their platform. But if they deem that you are not fit to come back to their platform, then you will not be eligible. So Habib FX could possibly be coming back on YouTube maybe after 12 months of his channel being terminated. That is if YouTube deems deem him as a creator fit to make content on their platform. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. How do you think, is this YouTube policy, is it so heavy, or does Habib FX deserve his channel being terminated? I would like you to share your thoughts in the comment section. Is YouTube being fair? Is it very strict? Is YouTube trying to make his platform safe or make it difficult for creators? Please, I'd just like you to share your thoughts with the community. Let's discuss about it. And if you have had an experience, or someone that had this kind of experience, please share it in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, like I said earlier, please subscribe to this channel, and also share this video to other creators, especially if we have other creators that are joining YouTube for the first time, or they are new on YouTube. They need to understand that YouTube's policy is very strict. And let me also know in the comment section, is there any other policy that you would like me to break down in the future? Drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.